Property maintenance, arguably the most stressful part of managing a residential property. A single broken pipe can quickly result in angry tenants and unit vacancies, thousands of dollars in staff overtime, and irritated property owners tired of dealing with the unexpected expenses. Everyone loses time, money, and patience. That changes today. Our team of experienced real estate investors, tech leaders, and data experts recognize this problem as a cash killer for property owners and managers alike, and saw it as an opportunity to revolutionize an industry to the benefit of all. Introducing Home 365, an all-inclusive property maintenance subscription service and AI-powered platform built to cut costs, lower vacancy rates, and increase your bottom line. What we do. Our all-inclusive maintenance packages provide timely, cost-effective service for a flat monthly fee that's tailored to each property, offering property owners a higher, more predictable ROI and eliminating the property manager's need for out-of-pocket expense approval. All Home 365 packages include on-demand breakdown service, proactive maintenance, and even tenant turnover services. Our AI-powered platform and app streamlines the process of reporting an incident and dispatching a certified professional to fix the problem, improving tenant satisfaction and saving you valuable staff hours going back and forth between tenants and contractors. Our app also empowers you and the property owners to track the property's systems, maintenance projects, and overall condition. With detailed data on every project, we ensure transparent, quality service you can trust. Here's how it works. Once a maintenance issue is reported or identified by our IoT sensors, a tenant or a member of your staff simply submits a video of the issue through our app. Our algorithms analyze the data and information from the video and dispatch the appropriate service professional to the property. Every aspect of the project is tracked, documented, and recorded via the app, including all communications, material used, and hours worked. Our app analyzes every detail of the process, enabling our algorithms to become more efficient and intelligent with each project. No need to call service professionals for quotes and scheduling. No need to call the owners for expense approvals. We take care of it all, and it's all covered under our custom plans. That's it. Simple, transparent, and cost-effective. It's time that you maximize your profits, grow your business, and position yourself as a more effective, tech-savvy company that values property owners' investments and time. Get ahead of the curve. Sign up and get Home 365 today. Home 365, revolutionizing property maintenance.